The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, front, FWD, passenger airbag, trip computer, speed proportional power steering, daytime running lights, tachometer, heads-up display. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.